We are making a cheat tiramisu without mascarpone cheese or ladyfingers. So let's get started. Let's brew some coffee first. Take 1/2 cup hot water and mix 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Take 2 cups of whipped cream. Condensed milk half can. 2 to 3 tablespoons of Nutella. Half of brewed coffee. Whisk all the ingredients well for 4 to 5 minutes until it doubles and thickens. Take 1/2 cup of milk and mix leftover brewed coffee. Dip biscuits one by one and arrange in a dish like this. Now spread a layer of whipped cream generously. Repeat the biscuits and cream layer. Garnish with chocolate syrup. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Oh, so creamy and yummy, tiramisu is ready to enjoy.